Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Jukes and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we sell our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Omar Lauren will be one of Arsenal invisible players we don't play in the past and one of our legends. So Baba don't come outside, they talk, say, this Arsenal setup where they play now, say they know they good enough at all. Say if now during their time when they say if you say na them they play Champions League where they play now, see they go knock everybody. Those say when they go one season, nobody even near them. Say because of their own time, Champions League never really they compared to now. If you say Champions League, if they call they go flog everybody. So Baba they talk about the squad, different players and their strengths, their quality, their mentality, all the characteristics we then get for the team that time. What Baba fail to understand me say that time no be now you get things don't change you. You know, if they play, if you're in a Champions League, they play that time. No, they go play all those kind of Pele, all those kind of senior men with the other areas. You know, but easy as they talk. Say he be chairman for EPL. No me say he be chairman all over the world. Though. No reason I'm like that. Though. As soon as take grades for Arsenal, so some other people say take grades for other clubs. So no reason I'm like that, Papa. Surprise! Atletico Madrid and Sevilla they the reason to sign Lacazette at the end of the season. You know, say at the end of the season, Baba go turn free agent. And our monitoring spirit don't tell us say Arsenal no go renew this guy contract. So hopefully, as in contract the end, we go find square roots, go join one of these two sides so that Arsenal self go start to rebuild again, find a proven striker where they go fit sign to join the team. Well, we wish the guy all the best. At the end of the summer, still long now. Maybe no be say at the end of the summer now Arsenal can throw one more year contract give him now. Because Baba self no be small pikin now. Baba dey that kind 29-30. So well, any idea go now go let una dey know. At the same time, Juve self they show interest, say they would like to sign Leno. So it don't be two clubs now. We don't be interested in Leno. They wait for the end of the summer. That is Juventus and Inter Milan. You know, say after Inter Milan keeper Donnarumma go join PSG. So they don't really get better keeper waiting for that place. So that's why that they really they look for Leno. So okay, I bet come join us at the end of the summer. Now with Juve, I don't know that Juve won't change with Jack Chesney because that's they're not really confident in the guy because the guy they collect some kind of cheap goals sometimes. With them self when they really say okay, we could upgrade our keeper. Maybe that keeper they do us. We never really know. Well, I won't be say I wish them all the best of luck because we will ask ourselves we don't lose confidence where in day because the guy they collect some kind of cheap goals where he's not supposed to collect as a top keeper of in caliber. He's not supposed to be concede some kind of goals like that. But that's why we wish him all the best of luck. Maybe find square root when time reach. On my familiar setting, that's why they ask me because I said whether I miss Champions League. You know, say don't take away ask now go for Champions League. So Baba can talk say, yes now I said it's in the pain like mad now. So when they see some of our rivals, you know that they play Champions League, normal I go pay you now. So because you said you know say that there you belong. And when we say you do for the top echelon of clubs, you do for EPL with our pedigree and everything. We're supposed to play for the best competitions in football. So everything in the future shall we plan our way, we structure our routes, you know. We won't get core players who will propel us, enter Champions League. So any way we go share. And may God help us. A Spanish newspaper they call Fijales. Don't come outside the talk say Arsenal will return for Awa at the end of the season. So we never know how true this one, where they get their own sources. We just hope say before they post that kind of thing, say they go don't get verified sources. So I know say Awa now at the end of this season now, this present season, the guy will come get just 12 months for his contract. So that one go propel Leon say okay, this is the high time for us to collect money on your behalf because if they don't sell them now, that means once they wait again another season end, the guy go out on a free transfer. Just like with the PSG want to Mbappe. No say Mbappe no really sign contract extension. Madrid offer them money. They say they don't want to sell, which means at the end of the summer he's going to Madrid for free. So now the two way Arsenal say they look say okay, once you don't get like 12 months remember, we'll just collect this guy now. I'm going to the think now. It don't make sense. I said I can tell you the three things where Arsenal need to do if we want beat Burnley for tough month because that place we don't go there like 3 times, never collect better results. So it don't make sense. And we don't say Burnley. a very very strong side. So the first thing we need to do if we go that place now, we need to match Burnley at their own physicality, because Burnley na physical team. Now cross and not they like to use score all their own. I mean they bombard crossing, because they get Chris Wood with tall where they get me with tall where they get Tarkowski, that one self tall where they come get Ashley Barnes, this one another tall giant. So their own plan, their game plan. Now see, this is their coach Sean Dyke, and the only thing when they do is say cross and not, now then they imitate Stoke, now then be the modern Stoke, now then be modern Stoke. So their own plan now, cross the ball, bully them. That is the own plan. They're not there for tiki taka. I would say they don't do Arsenal for a very long time. That is why Mikel Arteta with Edu reason say, okay, we need to have a strong backbone. We need to get physical players. That is why they sign people like Gabriel Magalhaes, Thomas Partey, Tomiyasu, Ben White. You know, people will give you that kind of physicality, and if to say Shaka can't do that, physicality won't get presence where. So that is why we need to match them, if not outplay them in their physicality. That is the number one thing we will do. Then number two, when you create chances, you have to take it. You have to be very very clinical. You don't go get, see the Norwich game now, we get 30 shots on goal. Out of that 30 shots, but 7 were on goal. Sure, the rest were off target. That's 23 off target, 7 on target. Against Burnley, you no go get 30 shots on goal. You no go possible. So even if na 10 shots you wipe, just make sure say you score at least 2 or 3, even if you go score 1. Because that place, they throw body you. You said you go fear me, they don't break your leg, because then they very very physical. That is one thing about Burnley. Then the third one be say we need to contest for all the area balls, contest for all the long balls. And if you contest for the long balls finish, make sure say now you get the second ball, because that is their plan. Their plan now from midfield, they go launch and give Chris Wood will come knock them down. That is their own plan, because that Chris Wood didn't get body, and the guy thought we were huge, very very physical beast. So now their own plan, once they cross and he go knock them down, or they cross and Ashley Barnes go knock them down, or maybe Lee go knock them down, or Tarkowski. Now their own plan be that anything corner, anything throwing, a long throw, all those kind of things. So go dey very key. We go depend on the likes of our Tomiyasu, because Tomiyasu self is tall, is strong, and Gabriel Magalhaes. The only person that go fit target for that our back line na be Kieran Tierney. So we need to know how we go protect this guy. If we fit do these 3 things so I don't mention, now can't do am right, I don't see any way we Burnley go fit defeat us, because now every with the para and everybody dey complete. So people dey for that forward. If Aubameyang dey for 9, come get that Odegaard, Smith-Rowe and Saka for him back. Una gas play very well, create a lot of chances. You know, dribble them, do things, make sure even if na 1-0 win for them, because this is the perfect opportunity to show the world say Arsenal is back. If we no fit beat Burnley, then what are we now doing? Just ordinary Burnley itself, they never get convincing. Shebi Everton just knock them, it's not 3-1. So they not really dey convincing this season. Then self they find win, we self they find win. Nobody will come defend, and then they play at home for tough more. But this their home, that fortress. Come on, this match now on Saturday and at 3 p.m. Watch as everything goes up. Our familiar setting, they call dey ask Mikel Arteta say, you get news wey don dey fly around town wey dey talk say he give Leno assurances say he go play against Tottenham Hotspur. Say shey na true. So Baba come dey talk say say he no know where all these news dey come from. Say sometimes he go dey read some things for newspaper, things wey he no talk, things wey he no tell anybody. Say he go dey surprise, abi dey read him mind. Say he even understand though sometimes he dey see all those things for newspaper, things wey he never decide. The thing go just give am ideas, some kind different perspective. But say for this one, say why him go give goalkeeper guarantee say him go play now? Say that one no make sense now. It doesn't make sense. You need to fight for your place. So all the keepers know say as una dey now, all the things wey you don do 7 months ago, 10 months ago, e no matter. Now the things wey you dey do today, na dey very important. Now I go decide on. So those wey dey talk say Leno don save us before, Leno na good keeper, he dey even play massive saves before, we dey ungrateful. Other one no count again. Now how good are you today? You are as good as your last match in football. That's what they do. I'm saying he no give the guy any guarantee. The Leno just know say you go fight for your place, and Leno na professional. Fine, you no play, they don't come out to your first choice, you no play, you go dey frustrated, you go dey disappointed. But that no mean say make you no come dey support your team, or make you come dey backbite, or make you come dey vex for Ramsdale. We no bring that Ramsdale come here come clean grass or come clean locker. We bring the guy to come improve the team and come play well. So now wetin Baba talk about that matter. At the same time, for the media settings, they come dey ask Mikel Arteta say how far the progress of the team now. So Babako dey talk say for him, he dey very very positive. He get highly optimistic about Arsenal's chances. Saying they see the light, even though a lot of people no go see the light at the end of the tunnel. But for him, they see the light, and you know say in the future, lights will shine because our future is very very bright. So that's what Baba dey talk. So go dey watch, and on Saturday, that match be like cup final. Because if we no win that match, that means our progress still far. But if we win Burnley, it means progress is near and we are here to stay. So my dear football lovers, now here we come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I will come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon wey dey there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, Facebook will notify you so we don't drop am. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you.